Do you want to lose weight fast? Are you ready to take on a challenge that will transform your life? We know weight loss can be a struggle. It's a journey that requires commitment, consistency, and a multi-pronged approach. It's not just about cutting back on your favorite treats, but also about understanding your body, increasing your metabolism, and discovering the benefits of natural weight loss tools. So, are you ready to dive into the world of quick and healthy weight loss? Stay tuned. Firstly, you need to understand what's fueling your body, and that's where calorie counting comes in. It's like balancing your checkbook, but for your body. You're keeping track of the energy you're putting in, so you can ensure it's less than the energy you're expending. This is the fundamental principle of weight loss. It's all about creating a calorie deficit. Now you might be wondering, why count calories? Well, it gives you a clear picture of your eating habits. It's easy to underestimate how much you're consuming until you start keeping track. You might be surprised by how those extra snacks or sugary drinks add up. By writing down everything you eat, you'll be able to identify patterns and make healthier choices. It's a proactive approach to nutrition. Remember, a calorie deficit is key, but don't just stop at calorie counting. There's more to the weight loss journey. Now let's get moving. Exercise is a crucial part of losing weight fast. Sure, you've heard it before, but let's dive a little deeper. Regular exercise, especially routines incorporating walking and biking, can significantly rev up your metabolism. This metabolic boost is like adding fuel to your calorie-burning engine, helping you shed those unwanted pounds faster. But it's not just about weight loss. Exercise also contributes to your overall health, improving your cardiovascular fitness, boosting your mood, and enhancing your energy levels. So, why not add a brisk walk or a leisurely bike ride to your daily routine? It's simple, enjoyable, and incredibly beneficial. Exercise not only helps you lose weight, but it also keeps you healthy and energized. So get up and get moving. Finally, let's talk about a secret weapon in your weight loss journey: apple cider vinegar. This humble kitchen staple is a powerhouse, aiding digestion, regulating blood sugar levels, and even boosting metabolism. Incorporating it into your daily routine is simple. Start your day with a glass of water mixed with a spoonful of apple cider vinegar. For more ways to use this incredible weight loss tool, there's a wealth of information waiting for you. Integrating apple cider vinegar into your diet can accelerate your weight loss process. Give it a try. So, are you ready to embark on your weight loss journey? Keep in mind, count your calories, increase your activity levels with walking and biking, and incorporate the magic of apple cider vinegar. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please subscribe and give a thumbs up. And remember, your journey to weight loss starts here. God bless you.